Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is banana wafers. You can say banana chips. So don't forget to subscribe my healthy foodie vlog. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest video. So today we will make banana chips. For that usually we need Kerala banana, or it is made from Kerala banana, but today we are gonna make it from normal raw banana, which is used for making veggies. We will use that. See, it is white from inside. We will slit its skin from top to bottom, not too much deep, but a light slit will be fine, and we will slit 2 to 3 times on its skin, and the skin will come out like this so easily. We will take out all the green parts clearly. It is a bit sticky task, and if you feel that it is sticking to your hands, you can use a few drops of oil. You can apply few drops of oil on your hands, and then you can do this process. See, I'm slitting it from top to bottom, not too much deep, shallow slits, and then the skin will come out very easily. It is a trick or tip for you to take out the skin very easily. You don't have to work hard on that. So the banana is almost ready to fry, and we will not take the long process to do that, because we are gonna make it a easy task to do. See, the oil is hot and we are adding turmeric in it. In other recipes you will see that first they add turmeric to the water and they wash the banana from that water. We will not do that. We will directly add turmeric to the oil, and I'm going to slice all the wafers directly into the oil. See how beautiful it is looking, and it is healthy too. We will fry it for a few minutes. 5 to 7 minutes is enough for that. Keep it on high flame, and it will become very crispy and healthy snacks for you to munch on. You can check it. You will itself get to know that it is done. If it is not understanding, you are not able to understand that it is done or not, then you can check it by touching it. If it is soft, then you have to fry it for a few more minutes. If it is hard, then it is done. My chips are done, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm using a strainer to strain all my oils from the banana chips. You can use kitchen towel for that. Take out strain all the excess oil, and it is ready to eat. I'm showing you the second time for your convenience. If you are not able to understand how to do this, take the slicer on the top of the oil, and you have to slice directly into the pan so that it will not be sticky and it will be fried very easily. It is very healthy snack. See how beautiful it is looking. It is a very famous chips or snack in the South India. See, our banana chips are ready. You can add chili powder or any chaat masala. I am adding just a bit of salt. I'm not adding any masalas because I had made it for my kids. See, it is ready to eat. with your tea, coffee, or having snacks on your office table. Do you enjoy it? And comment below how do you like my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.